Let's learn ABCs with our toys. Yeah, join us. Ready? A is for airplane. Let's go! Whee!
B is for ball.
Playtime! Yes! Let's roll. Yahoo! Catch it! I got it! C is for camera. Cheese! Wow, thank you! D is for dog. E is for egg. Oops. Oh, no. Don't worry, we can clean it up. F. F is for fish. Look, Bumble. Wow, Melo, the fish are swimming. They're so happy. Yes, and so are we. G is for grapes. Yummy! Can I have one? Here you go. Thanks, Yum! H is for house. Ha! Wow, this house is amazing! I know, look at all the decorations.
I is for iron.
Oh my goodness, what are you doing? Just getting some chores done. Wow, that's amazing. J is for jug. Yay! I did it! Yay! K is for kite. Let's make it fly! Higher, Bumble, higher! We did it! Yes! High five! L is for lamp. I have something special for you. Oh, how wonderful! Look what it is. A rattle and a ball. Thank you. Let's clap and play. M is for mango. Slurp, slurp, yum, yum. This mango is the best. Look at me eat. Ha ha, you're silly. We love mangoes. Yay! N is for nest. Tweet. Ooh. Chirp, chirp. O is for orange. I'm taking these yummy oranges. Oh no, some fell out. Let me help. Oh, thank you, Melo. P is for pen. Melo offers the pen to Bumble. Bumble accepts it happily. Bumble cheers with joy. Melo laughs warmly. Q is for quilt. Here, a gift for you. Oh, how lovely. You like it? I do, thank you. R is for rainbow. Wow, a Bumble rainbow. Let's clap. S is for sun.
T is for towel.
Ah, that's better. Hi, Melo.
U is for unicorn.
Ta-da! It's for you! Wow, a unicorn. Thank you.
V is for vacuum.
Time to clean.
Yes! Watch this!
Yay!
All clean! Wow!
Perfect!
Amazing job!
W is for watch.
X is for xylophone.
Wow, look at that! Oh, it's so beautiful! I've never seen anything like it. Let's keep going.
Z is for zebra. Hey there, kiddo! Did you like that? Then subscribe and click the button for more fun with me.